Welcome guys back to Sword Burst 2. We're playing again. Last time this guy gave us 10k, gave us some swords. He said that it was nothing, and I said to him, "Hey, it's everything."
Ow.
Oh no. Okay, this thing could last one more hour. Okay. I'm just kidding. One more video and I'm done.
You can also play a game.
Okay. We're on again. Ew, I just teleported. Last time I teleported here, so. It's cool. Uh, okay. Now what? Oh god, it's so laggy. Yeah. Flip, 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 jump, jump, flip, flip, jump, flip. So, inventory. This guy gave me a lot of stuff. So, okay. So, I'm gonna wear it. We'll wear it. So, these are all common, and I'm wearing lots of armor, so I need to be level 6. I have armor now. Follow. Okay, strengthening a level that you have not. Uh, uh, oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the forest. Oh no, battery's low. Wait, I'm the battery, Yoma. Oh, the batteries is almost gone, so I'm getting the battery. I'm a child like you guys. So, okay, I'm back. First, I'm back, and somehow very laggy. So, okay. F, F, F. E. Yes, dead. Oh, wire service section. Okay. Which levels do? So yeah, I don't know how to level up. So okay. Block R. R. R can I fight with? Hey, there was a bird. It was knocking on the door. R. Okay, I'm level 2 now. Great. Oh, it says right here XP. XP 19, okay. R. R. Help me. R. No, R. Thank you. Stop running. No. Oh god, they just, both of them double on. Ah, no. I'm getting attacked by two wolves. Run. Okay, wait. Today we have to end it a bit earlier because my mom